Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion Web Clipper. This handy browser extension lets you save articles, research, and inspiration directly into your Notion workspace, making it perfect for building a knowledge base or organizing research without the hassle of copy pasting. First things first, head over to notion.so and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar and select the workspace you want to save your clipped content into from the workspace switcher. This step is important because it sets your default destination for all the content you'll be clipping. Now, if you haven't already installed the Notion Web Clipper extension, you'll need to grab it from your browser's extension store, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once it's installed, you'll see the Notion Web Clipper icon appear next to your browser's address bar. This icon is your gateway to capturing web content instantly. Whenever you come across a web page you want to save, simply click on that Notion Web Clipper icon. A pop-up will appear giving you control over where this content goes. If the workspace shown isn't the one you want, use the drop-down menu to switch to the correct workspace. This flexibility ensures your clipped content always lands in the right place. Next, you'll need to select the specific page or database inside your workspace where you want the clipped content saved. You can either search for it or browse through your folders to find the perfect spot. This organizational step keeps everything tidy and accessible later. Before finalizing, you have a couple of optional but useful features. You can rename the clipped page title in the text box to something more meaningful than the default web page title. This makes it much easier to find later when you're searching through your notes. If the clipping interface supports it, you can also add tags or comments to provide additional context. When you're ready, click Save Page or simply press Enter to clip the web page into your selected Notion workspace and page. The extension does all the heavy lifting, formatting the content and making it instantly editable in Notion. After saving, you'll see an option to open in Notion. Click this to view and edit your clipped content directly in your workspace, where you can refine it, add notes, or integrate it with your existing projects. And that's it. You've successfully clipped web content into Notion using the Web Clipper. Thanks for watching.